Monday, November 25th, right here at Akins Ford and Wild Willie's in Winder, Georgia. Got two special ones for you today: a Gate Black 250 Covert, a Limited, and a Lariat. Let's go. Both of these are distinctly different. They look very similar, and they are both on 37s, but they are definitely a different type truck and a different type customer as well. The Limited with that Admiral Blue, that special interior, is second to none. The grille, headlights, everything about the truck just screams premium, elegant, Super Duty power. So knowing that this truck is $100,000 already sticker price versus $81 on the Lariat back there, it's important to throw proper accessories and components on this truck, because you don't want to throw a cheap, we don't do cheap anything around here when it comes to reliability or experience or the way the truck handles or presents itself with our options. But definitely when it comes to suspension on a Limited truck, you got to nail it in just right. And I wish I would have done this kit on my current Limited right now, the 3.5 Carly Backcountry. I love this kit for many reasons, but mainly because these shocks are specifically valved for this application. It's not just a shock off the shelf for a Super Duty, it's specifically for a 250 in this year range and weight, engine, etc. Now we do have the Carly radius arms, which are notched from added articulation, limit straps, along with Carly torsion sway bar with end links, high mount and low mount stabilizer. We threw everything on this truck from a kit perspective. Got Devers in the back as well, rear wheel well liners, and you can see those backcountries hanging out back there. This kit to me is the best from a daily driver standpoint, minus the E-Venture. So hope stay with me. The E-Venture, the electronically controlled shock package, price point wise is much more elevated in comparison to the Backcountry. The Backcountry to me, being a non-electronic hard component lift, the Backcountry is my choice. I've proved it to myself from the experience of riding on everything on these trucks, even owning one, put many miles on it. The Backcountry is the way to go. Clint Sumlin can tell you as well. Money set up, and the truck sits perfect from a stance and overall appeal. Money. It's not too tall. We got great room and clearance for 37 12.5 Nitto ridge grapper tires. The Limited grill, look up front at this, y'all. I love the Limited grill more than any others. You can see inventory wise, we've got tons of vehicles right now, class leading, nation leading in Super Duties. Those projector headlights, the new design, is all buttoned up, high output as well. So 500 horsepower, 1,200 pound-feet of torque. When you see that red 6.7, you know we mean business. It's legit. Another look there, ridge grapper, that hybrid tire performs so well, looks so aggressive, but it's great as far as being good and smooth. It gives you good longevity mileage wise. Don't have the keys for this one, but just a Limited truck is the last year of it. It's going to the Platinum Plus for 25, so surely the last of the hard, the last time you're going to see Limited on an applique, and that's hard to believe, y'all. That kit got me tore up a little bit there. Rolling lock bed cover on this one. So long story short, if you're still sticking with me after all this blabbing, I appreciate it. But we're sitting here, Covert Edition, 3.5 Backcountry, Akins liner, tent, rolling lock, valence up front, 100, y'all see that right there, 122 grand. Man, that's hard for me to wrap my head around, even I'm around it every single day. But look, y'all, I've spent more than this on my Limited right now, and it's worth it. I promise you it's worth it, especially you go with this kit, this setup, Bubba Truck style on stocks, looking great. Now, obviously you want to change the wheel, still run this kit, just go to a different wheel if you want to, different setup, whatever you want to do, we can make it happen. You can even run 38s with the right wheel combo to go along with it. Now, next up, right here, we're in the Lariat realm. Just a tried and true, got the Gate Black, got the chrome, got the 20-inch stocks. That's the wheel that you used to see on Platinums and King Ranches for so many years. Still glad that they're rocking with it. It looks great. Now this one, Ant Research power boards, 2.5-inch ready lift coil spring, Falcon shocks, dual stabilizer. On this one, Toyo Open Country RT Trail, that hybrid tire that's basically just like the Ridge Grapper, just by Toyo, a sister company. Everything else is essentially the same. Rear wheel well liners, rolling lock bed cover, black truck, but just 2.5 inches versus 3.5 Didn't do radius arms, didn't do any suspension modifications in the back other than the Falcon shocks. So there are some distinct differences between ride quality, but right here we're at 97,934, properly equipped with all of our great options, built very similar to the Limited, but price point wise is not even in the same realm. We're talking $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 more for the backcountry versus this kit right here. And this kit is still one of our best sellers because it gets the job done and it's got everything that you need. But I'm telling you that backcountry is going to ride that much better. The overall mitigation of imperfections in the road, along with the progressive leaf pack in the rear, is definitely nicer and better overall. The radius arms make a difference as well. So it's just all about what you're looking to achieve, and that's what we're here for. We're here to show you all of our different variations. We don't want to do cookie cutter builds that's got all the same stuff, all the same lifts that we're just trying to throw down your throat. We want to show you all different variances and let you hopefully give us good feedback as well down the road. Hey, real deal, this truck, I love this kit. Next one, let's try this. That one was great. I didn't really like that one too much. I want to go back to this. So I love getting that feedback. We all do. And so 2 variables right here for you. Ready to purchase, ready to roll, and that's what it's all about. As soon as y'all buy these bad boys, I'm going to have another one. I already got some other variables that I'm going to throw at you with that. But we have such a great Super Duty inventory. We've got trucks everywhere out here right now, so now is a great time to buy. It's always a great time to buy from Akins, but especially now, discounts are phenomenal. Got holiday season coming up as well. So 2 covert editions in a gate black form, both leveled, both Bubba's, but 2.5-inch level versus 3.5. Carly versus Ready Lift. Falcon versus the backcountry Carly that's specifically tuned. It's got a lot to digest in this one, a lot to decide. That's what we're here for, to show you the best thing to do. You know what you do? You come down here to Akins, you get with us, you get keys to both. We go drive both these bad boys, take you on a little test drive, can show you, you can feel the difference. And you might be like, for the money, I don't need the limited package. I don't need the backcountry. I'm good just right here. And what I'm currently in is a limited truck with a more basic level kit system on it also. So you can piece things together, you can look at things and design and create your custom truck that's how you want it to be based on your wants, needs, desires, and budget. And that's what it's all about. So it makes the hugest difference. Resources, customer service, vision, creation, implementation, and you got Why Willys at Akins. Thanks for watching, y'all. Thanksgiving's coming up. What are you thankful for? There's so much to be thankful for. You wake up, you got a breath of air in you. You have the ability to make whatever you want to out of this life. So on Thanksgiving coming up soon, not just this week, but every week, every day, gratitude is key. So no matter what's going on in your life, positive or negative, look at the bright side. Twist things to create the world that you want to be in. Don't try to be negative all the time or let other outside influences affect you in a bad way. Stay positive, stay cheerful, and stay after it. Peace out.